Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images for free without any limitations or the need for website sign-in. So, let's dive right into the video. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, go to the website https://perchance.org/pretty-ai. I will add the link to this website in the video description below, so you can easily access it from there. Next, in the description text box, type what kind of image you want to generate. For example, you can type Lamborghini car. Then, you can customize the image further by selecting the angle, color, effect, or generating type of your choice. You can leave these options blank if you prefer. In the anti-description text box, you can type anything you don't want to see in the generated images. For example, you can type no people if you don't want any people in the images. You can also select the art style and the shape of the image, landscape, portrait, or square. Finally, select how many images you want to generate. For example, if you want 12 images, select 12. Now click the Generate button. That's it. You've successfully generated AI images for free without any limits or the need to sign into a website. Warning, please note that this tool can also generate adult content images. If you're generating such content, you'll receive a notification. To proceed, click on Settings and choose the duration for disabling the adult content filter. Only check, I am over 18 years old if you are indeed over 18 years old. If not, we highly recommend not disabling the filter. Once you've selected the checkbox, click Save and the adult content images will be displayed. Please use this feature responsibly. If you wish to download any image that has been generated, simply click the heart icon located in the bottom left corner. This will prompt a menu to appear. From there, select the Save to your device option and the image will be downloaded to your device. The downloaded image quality may be poor. To enhance the quality of your image for free, you can use this website to upscale it to any desired quality. I'll include the link to this website in the video description as well. Remember, there are no limits to upscaling images. Now you know how to generate AI images without any limit and upscale images for free without any limit. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to explain it to you.